OpenAI and the Newsgroup AP agree on a technology sharing deal to help improve news quality. Decoder-only transformers, like the GPT series, operate by predicting one token at a time. If you treat interleaved text and images as tokens, you can generate images from text and text from images. This model can also generate hands. LangChain is an extremely popular chaining and prompt templating library. It has gathered a strong community, especially with technologists coming into the field from other disciplines. However, an NBSP, it isn't for everyone. This post explores some of the sharp edges. A guide on how to pick the right AI tool to do the right thing. The rate of convergence for optimization methods is the mathematical limit for how quickly a model can figure out the best solution when guided by that optimization method. It turns out that cyclical learning rates can be improved with an occasionally huge step. Very compelling work. Microsoft has developed a Python and C# chaining library for language models. This report introduces a new system that can add lifelike motion to any image you create using personalized text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion, Dreambooth, and LoRa. The system uses a motion module, which learns from real-life videos and can be added to any text-to-image model to produce personalized, diverse animations from static images, making your creations more lifelike and fun. A quick post that explores the performance of several different implementations of the same models. Parse is your AI-powered data analyst. This study introduces the Drunkard's dataset and odometry, aimed at improving camera motion estimation in constantly changing environments, a problem in applications like endoscopies. FastEdit aims to assist developers with injecting fresh and customized knowledge into large language models efficiently using one single command. A lightweight JavaScript library for interacting with the Claude AI chatbot's unofficial internal API. Incumbents will take the obvious new opportunities created by general AI, so, what's non-obvious? This article from BCV explores areas where startups hold the advantage and suggests ideas or trends where founders may want to build. Elon Musk sought to recruit top AI talent to his new artificial intelligence company with equity in the venture he claimed was already worth tens of billions of dollars. The language of the U.S. Constitution is so ingrained in training datasets that it is classified as AI-generated. AI writing detectors are not reliable because they are trained on a dataset of human-written text. This can lead to false positives, which can have serious consequences for students and others who are accused of cheating. Petals is a framework developed to serve and fine-tune really large models on resource-constrained systems. This notebook gives some really readable code snippets on how to use the system.